One of the first steps in setting up a FunctionFox account is making sure that you have your tasks set up and ready to go. To set those tasks up, hover over Projects and click Tasks. In a new account, there are no tasks set up to start, so let's cover setting up the common task list. These are tasks or services that you offer at the billing rate you most commonly charge, assuming you have rates and currencies on. To set this up, make sure that all departments and all projects are selected in the dropdown, and that common task list only is selected. Then simply type in the task, then the billable rate if needed. Worth noting, anything with a $0 rate will be considered non-billable and can be used for certain reports. With the common task list set up, anytime you add a new project to the system, a box will appear allowing you to set up tasks for the new project faster. Now, if you have a new task or service you want to add to the common task list and all open projects, make sure to select the other bubble to have those added without having to do it manually. Now, there may be times where a specific project has a task you want to add, or maybe the rate is custom for that project. Select Client or Department, then find the project. From here, add the task, rate, and if you want, you can even add estimated hours for that task. Once you click Save New, the task will be added to the project and nowhere else in the system. Worth noting, any tasks from your common list that you have added can be edited, including the hourly rate, without affecting your common task list. Lastly, if you forgot to add one of your common tasks to a project, you can use this page to quickly add that common task to a project. If you need help setting up tasks or have tasks that need to be archived, do reach out with a call or email staycreative@functionfox.com. We'd be glad to help you and your team stay creative.